10 powerful examples of artificial intelligence. If you looked up the term artificial intelligence on Google and found your way to this video, you've used AI. If you've ever taken an Uber or had your phone autocorrect a misspelled word, you've used AI. Although it may not always be immediately obvious, artificial intelligence impacts nearly all aspects of our lives in a nearly uncountable number of ways. In this video, we'll take a look at 10 examples of how artificial intelligence saves us time, money, and energy in our everyday life. 1. Maps and navigation. AI has drastically improved traveling. Instead of having to rely on printed maps or directions, you can now use Waze or Google or Apple Maps on your phone and type in your destination. So how does the application know where to go? And what's more, the optimal route barriers, and traffic congestions. Not too long ago, only satellite-based GPS was available, but now artificial intelligence is being incorporated to give users a much more enhanced experience. It makes our ride easier as it suggests to us about the traffic, distance left, and voice suggestion of the route. 2. Smart cars. Autonomous vehicles are prime examples of how artificial intelligence is impacting the automotive industry. A large segment of autonomous vehicles are connected and thus able to share the learning with each other. This percentage is set to increase rapidly in the future. Smart cars are one of the areas where AI is increasing its importance. Not only big companies like Tesla, but many of the other companies are using automation in their vehicles. Artificial intelligence implements computer vision, image detection, and deep learning to build cars that can automatically detect objects and drive around without human intervention. 3. Text editors or autocorrect. AI algorithms use machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to identify incorrect usage of language and suggest corrections in word processors, texting apps, and every other written medium, it seems. Linguists and computer scientists work together to teach machines grammar, just like you were taught at school. The algorithms are taught through high-quality language data, so when you use a comma incorrectly, the editor will catch it. 4. Facial detection and recognition. Using virtual filters on our faces when taking pictures and using Face ID for unlocking our phones are two examples of artificial intelligence that are now part of our daily lives. The former incorporates face detection, meaning any human face is identified. The latter uses face recognition, through which a specific face is recognized. Facial recognition is also used for surveillance and security by government facilities and airports. 5. Smartphones. Now also you are using your smartphone while watching this video. There is no need to tell you the importance of smartphones in our lifestyle, as everyone is aware of the fact that we cannot imagine our lives without smartphones. Whether you know or not, you are interacting with AI. We know that Google Assistant, Siri are all examples of AI in our phone. But not everyone knows that portrait mode in the camera is also based on artificial intelligence. There are many more features in our smartphones that use AI, and in the coming future, we will see many more features because of artificial intelligence. 6. Smart home devices. Rise of AI has exceptionally solidified the term smart home. A significant number of smart home devices that you buy use AI to learn your behavior so that they can adjust their settings automatically to make your experience as frictionless as possible. These smart home devices are controlled by using smart voice assistants, which are prime examples of AI. These techniques are part of our lives thanks to data science. While it's true that it'll take a significant time for us to see a perfect AI-powered home capable of reacting to our choices in real lives, steps are already being made to bring this to the real world. Already, there are smart lights that can change intensity and color based on time and thermostats that can adjust the temperature based on user preference. 7. Social media. If you're thinking that emergence of autonomous vehicles isn't having any impact on you personally as they're not in your city yet, how about something without using which your day doesn't end? Yes, we're talking about social media. If Facebook isn't your thing, Maybe it's Twitter or Snapchat or Instagram or any of the other available social media apps. The fact is, when you're using social media, a majority of your decisions are being influenced by artificial intelligence. From notifications that you receive to feeds that you see in the timeline, everything is curated by AI. It considers all your past web searches, interactions, behaviors, and everything else done by you during your visit to these websites, and tailors your experience according to that. 8. Chatbots. As a customer, interacting with customer service can be time-consuming and stressful. For companies, it's an inefficient department that is typically expensive and hard to manage. One increasingly popular artificially intelligent solution to this is the use of AI chatbots. The programmed algorithms enable machines to answer frequently asked questions, take and track orders, and direct calls. Chatbots are taught to impersonate the conversational styles of customer representatives through natural language processing. 9. E-payments. Having to run to the bank for every transaction is an enormous waste of time, and AI is playing a part in why you haven't been to a bank branch in 5 years. Banks are now leveraging artificial intelligence to facilitate customers by simplifying payment processes. Intelligent algorithms have made it possible to make deposits, transfer money, and even open accounts from anywhere, leveraging AI for security, identity management, and privacy controls. 10. Video games. The video game industry is perhaps one of the initial adopters of artificial intelligence. While playing racing games, have you ever thought about who is the opponent of you? It's AI bots who are playing opposite to you. This is how AI is grasping its position in the video game industry. DeepMind's AI-based AlphaGo software, which is famous for defeating Lee Sedol, the world champion in the game of Go, is one of the most significant accomplishments in the field of AI. Shortly after the victory, DeepMind created an advanced version of AlphaGo called AlphaGo Zero, which defeated the predecessor in an AI face-off. Unlike the original AlphaGo, which DeepMind trained over time by using a large amount of data and supervision, the advanced system, AlphaGo Zero, taught itself to master the game. Hope you enjoy the video. If yes, please like and subscribe for future video.